Hello, my name is Orhan Ozan Yıldız, and today I will present the graphical user interface developed as part of the Introduction to Algorithm course. We will perform the operations such as observing the animations of the sorting algorithms, comparing the speed of the sorting algorithms over time, using the binary search algorithm to find an item from a sorted list of items, finding the Fibonacci number, matrix multiplication, matrix operations, and finding the smallest number in a desired order. If Here is the our dashboards. There is a list of the features of the application, a button for feedback, Scrolls logo, and name of the person who created this application. And sorting page. The ordered list obtained with the save and Excel icon can be saved as txt, csv, and xlx extensions, or an ordered array can be taken from a file with this extension. The execution of the algorithm can be paused and restarted. The sequence speed can be increased or decreased at the moment of the animation. In addition, larger values can be obtained by multiplying the size of the array by 10 with the up-down buttons. At maximum value of the array can be increased or decreased in the same way. Which sorting method to use can be set using the sort types button. Okay, we do an example, and I use the merge sort. And if we start it, and we can pause it, and it is paused, and I just continue and again press it. If I want to skip, and the sorting algorithm is completed, and use the heap sort and different array, we start it, and I can change the speed of the sorting at the moment of the sortings, and we can see the heap sorts algorithms logic in this animation, and we can try the other counting sort, for example, and change the array, unsorted array, and we see the counting algorithm is very speed, very quick, and this length of array can be increased with these buttons, multiplying by 10. It is my computer is slow, and we can see it is increase, or we increase the maximum value of array with these buttons, or decrease, and we use the clear for values is clear, or save the sorted array with this selections, txt file, xls, x files, csv files. We can save it, or we use the exam button for the take an array. We can see I take it, but I don't know what is it. If it have, yes, it have an numbers array, unsorted array, and we set it. And other section is time comparison. This the speed of all sorting algorithms with respect to time can be seen. For example, it has been observed that bubble insertion sorting algorithms for slowly. Compare all sort we see all sorting algorithms. If we want to see the bubble and search sort, compare selected button, and we just see bubble and insertion sort algorithms. And other section is binary search. Users can create an array by selecting generate a random array, can generate a random array. The element searched by using the binary search algorithms is found in the array, and this process is expressed with an animation graphic. The ability to change the upper lower range and change the number of an array can be entered by the user or randomly generated with the set random array button. Yeah, we can change this, and we take arrays. We use this random array and sort random array is this, and we find this 30 index. Okay, oh, it is so sweet, and we try to 38. Yes, it's find the index of the numbers, and we look at the matrix operations. Multiplication, addition, and subtraction operations can be performed with the matrix operations page. If the entered values are not suitable for the operation to be performed, an error message. A saved matrix can be used by pressing Excel buttons, or the result matrix can be saved by pressing the save buttons. And I create the random matrix. Yes, I create random buttons with respect to these values, and I can multiply that, and or values is here. If we want to import values with an Excel file, we can click this icon or this. If we want to save this result, we can choose this icon, and if we press the summation, we get an error because the column numbers are not same, or row numbers are not same, so we cannot sum of these matrices, and we want to sum of these matrices and create random matrix. We can change it if we want, and we seen these values of summation of these two matrices. Fibonacci number desired by the user is calculated and displayed on the graph. The user can easily see the Fibonacci number is looking for, and we try to sixth Fibonacci number. 6 Fibonacci number is equals to 5, or 8 Fibonacci number is equals to 13. And if we want to clear, we can clear the all window. And lastly, we use randomize the selection. A random array is generated, or the user can specify an array. If the user wants to learn each smallest number, they can use the randomize the selection algorithm. An example, we create a random array. Okay, these values are 0, so we cannot default array, or we change these values, this, or we can write here, and we create a random array, and we find the index Each smallest index is 12. Show its smallest is 47 is or 12th smallest index and is equals to 47, and we choose this. The signal is clear. Have a nice day.